In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the MyWorks QuickBooks Sync plugin for inventory syncing between WooCommerce and QuickBooks. We'll begin inside your WordPress dashboard by opening the MyWorks Setup page. This is where the initial connection and configuration take place, and it's the starting point for making sure your store and your accounting system can communicate properly. As you move through setup, take your time to review each option carefully so your sync works the way you expect. Next, connect your QuickBooks account. MyWorks supports QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and QuickBooks Point of Sale, so choose the version that matches your business setup. Once connected, the plugin can begin sharing information between WooCommerce and QuickBooks. This connection is the foundation of the entire process, so make sure it completes successfully before moving on. After that, decide which platform will be your main inventory system. In other words, choose whether WooCommerce or QuickBooks will act as the source of truth for your product stock levels. This is an important decision because it affects the direction your inventory updates will follow. If you already manage stock primarily in QuickBooks, that will usually be the better choice. If your online store is where inventory is updated most often, then WooCommerce may make more sense. Once that's decided, open the product mapping section. Here, you'll match each WooCommerce product with the correct item in QuickBooks. Accurate mapping is essential because the plugin needs to know exactly which products belong together in both systems. If your SKUs or product names already match, you can save time by using automatic mapping. This is especially helpful for larger catalogs, but it's still a good idea to review the results to make sure everything lines up correctly. Then go to the automatic sync settings. This is where you choose how inventory should sync. You can enable syncing from QuickBooks to WooCommerce, from WooCommerce to QuickBooks, or in both directions depending on how you want updates to flow. Be thoughtful here, because your selection should match the inventory system you chose as primary earlier. With those settings in place, perform an initial inventory pull or push. This first sync helps bring both systems into alignment so you're starting from a clean baseline. After that, check the synchronization status for each product to confirm that everything is connected and updating as expected. Finally, place a test order and confirm that the inventory changes correctly in both WooCommerce and QuickBooks. This final check helps verify that your sync is working in real-world conditions and gives you confidence before relying on it for live sales. Once that test is successful, your inventory syncing setup is ready to go.